Good day, adventurers. My name is Kris, and today we're going to be teaching you something a little bit else than usual. Let's say you use the new feature to create a module, so you have all of your items between multiple campaigns or multiple settings, or even multiple systems if that needed to be. However, it looks a little bit bland. Right now, I'm showing these two modules side by side since they're technically one and the same, only their versioning differs as well some scripting differs, which has changed between them two. What I'm going to be teaching you is adding an image, a banner image here, and as well a banner image to the Compendium packs. And by the end, it should look like this. Okay, it's quite simple to do and straightforward, but there is a couple of catches. We need to look at the module's JSON file, which is this. What we're going to be needing is adding a setup file and cover if needed be, but that's very specific. And as well, we're going to be adding a banner, which I already took the liberty in copying in here. It does not work if you notice, since it's in the wrong module path, but we'll get to that when we get to that. Okay, what I will need you to do, V11 File Explorer, you're going to be creating a new file in your own module folder that is called banners, pictures, or something easily identifiable by you. And we're going to be needing the thumbnail for the module reveal and the banner. I'm going to start with the thumbnail. Let me show you the properties. They need to be 600 by 400. The banner and the thumbnail and the banner for the compendium needs to be 696 by 168. Okay, with that out of the way, not forget, this folder needs to be added by you. We're going to be creating the media file. To open the module JSON, several tools can be used, from even Notepad. I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code, but you can use Notepad, Notepad++, WordPad. Preferably, you should use something that doesn't compress text and makes it clear like so. I'm going to the module JSON. We're simply going to be adding a new line of text called media. We're going to be opening a new bracket and these types of brackets. I always forget how they are called. Then we're going to be provide some identification for it. So this is going to be type, on capital letters, bad habit. And this for us is going to be setup because it does show on the setup screen. Okay, next line of text is going to be caption. I'm a bit uncertain what it does, as I already have a description. When I overlay it, it does show the description text, not the caption text. But I did notice, as a best practice, it's preferable to have it, and for whatever reason, for me at least, it did not seem to work. And I'm simply gonna add the title of my compendium pack. Great. Second one is gonna be the thumbnail path. So we're gonna be having thumbnail. All right. Do not forget these, because you're gonna get errors. And at the thumbnail, we're gonna be having to put the exact path from the data folder. So in my case, it's gonna be modules kctg2e. Let's go into banner, and the title of the banner. I simply, on my end, I copy it from here and I drop it from here, and somehow they go backwards. Banner, and add the Thumb.webp. As you can see, it needs to be case sensitive from what I've noticed. If I put it with a capital letter, it doesn't load again for me. Okay, let's put this a comma here and hit save. Right now, if we close Foundry, let's go back to the setup to show it does not work as it should. The model doesn't even show. All right, here it doesn't need. Come on, okay, saving again. Going back to Foundry. As you can see, we have a new thumbnail image. But going back to our Foundry, you can see, even though I made an error, I wanted to show it still works. I already did copy it from my 5V. But this one, it's a bit simpler. Let's close this directly. We're looking for the banner. So under your packs, you're gonna simply select a place, towards the end preferably, but should work, at least to my knowledge, almost everywhere, as long as it's under the name, if I'm not mistaken. A similar path we're gonna be using. Like, let's start from scratch. Let's remove this and reopen Foundry just to make sure it is removed. I do apologize, it is a bit of a process. There you go. In the standard thumbnail is currently showing. Close it back down. And we're simply gonna add another thumbnail, but this time it's gonna be called banner. Banner. Like before, we're gonna be using the same path. For me, it's gonna be a little bit simpler. I'm simply gonna copy it from here and add it as so. And gonna add Banner.webp and close the brackets, add a comma, and make sure everything is set. Right now, if we should open Foundry, go back to Pathfinder. There you go. We have our own banner. With the text, you can edit it. This is the compendium name, and you can adapt your banner for it. So let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer any question you might have in reference to this. And also do consider hitting the algorithm gods, mainly the like and the subscribe button. It does help greatly. That being said, have a great day and a happy weekend, because it is weekend. Bye bye.